The TeraFlex CT, or Cross Trail suspension system, is built on our Sport ST system and provides additional benefits. The Alpine CT system gives the customer the option of either a long or short adjustable control arms. Both our long and short Alpine adjustable control arms allow for the necessary suspension adjustments required for a wheel alignment. Things like caster and driveline pinion angles, as well as anti-squat geometry, along with allowing for the centering of the tires in the fender wells. Adjustability is key when dialing in a suspension. The long arm version of the Alpine CT system has several advantages, especially on taller lifts because of the additional ride and control benefits provided by a long arm suspension. Long arm suspensions reduce the angle on the control arms, which in turn lessens that harsh bump in the road impact transfer through the suspension and up into the cab. There's plenty of advantages to a long arm lifted Jeep. Ride handling, reduced bushing wear, and stability, just to name a few. The trade-off is that long arm suspension systems require more install labor and are therefore a little more expensive to install. But the enhanced ride and flex performance are worth it for the serious off-roader. Now, when we get to the level of the Alpine CT long arm and short arm suspensions, they are truly all-inclusive. There's no need to add a front track bar to correct axle placement and to firm up the steering. That's included, as are the rear track bar brackets holding the axle centered under the Jeep. And when it comes time for that panic stop, Jeepers will appreciate the long arm Alpine's straight and flat, no nosedive braking. When driving the Jeep off-road, the driver will experience the added flex provided by the long arm, as well as the amazing highway stability, especially when loaded up for that camping trip. When vehicle-specific components are combined with industry-leading engineering, the TeraFlex difference becomes a reality.